Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2017 ALFA ROMEO Giulia smart key.
Now, plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose Smart Key Generation. Find the ALFA ROMEO. Select the first menu. The smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Put in the card slot. Click Generation. Generate successful. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Find the ALFA ROMEO. From Vehicle, Asia. Find Giulia. Select 20152022. Smart key. Select Read PIN code. Turn off the ignition. Turn on 2 flashing lights. OK. To identify the PIN code, select Add Smart Key. Turn off the ignition switch and turn on the flashing lights. Click OK. OK. Put a smart key to be programmed in the central armrest box. Please make sure the ignition switch is turned off. Click OK. Complete the operation in 30 seconds. Press the unlock button. The program is completed. Whether to continue to program the next one. No need to click cancel. Programming complete. OK. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. New key unlock. Lock the car. The original car key unlock. Lock the car. Remote control is normal. Now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? The new key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try the remote control switch glass. New key. Long press the unlock button. New key, long press the lock button. Let's try the original car keys again. Long press the unlock button. Long press the lock button. The remote control switch glass is normal.
We have programmed smart key for 2017 ALFA ROMEO Giulia. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.